Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets online for the London Zoo. This is a very simple thing to do, and if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see down in the description of this video. Once you go ahead and open up that link, it's going to take you to this main official platform right here from where we can get started getting our tickets. So what you can do is click the check availability option right here. Once you click check availability, it's going to show us all the available dates we have to purchase the tickets for. So let's say we want to purchase them for the 17th right here. I'm going to select the date, and then it's going to enable us to select what kind of ticket we need. Let's say one adult ticket for us. If you have children or infants, you can go and select the tickets right here as well and go to the next page to upgrade your experience. Here you can go and see similar experiences if you're interested. If not, just click no thanks and go to the next page where we can get started filling out our personal details. So here you're going to have your first name, last name, email address, phone number that you need to go ahead and fill out. And once you provided all your information, you can click the next option to go to the payment page. It's going to open up this new menu where we can go and take a look at all the available payment methods such as Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal, from where we can get started. And now you're going to select whichever one you prefer. Let's say debit and credit card. It's going to open up this new menu from where we can get started filling out our info and making the payment. Once you have purchased the card successfully, your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account on this platform and provided in the personal details. So go into the description, open up the link, and get started purchasing your tickets today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.